And there's been a lot of changes with the RLZ trading community, for example. It's now completely free. What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing great. It's been a while since I uploaded a video to this channel, and I just wanted to take the time to give you guys an update on what's going on in my life and with my trading and the future of RLZ trading. As some of you might already know, I got a job with a prop firm called The Fivers, and I'm sure you know all about this firm already. It's one of the original prop firms, one of the biggest, one of the original funding firms out there, and I'm just super happy to be able to work with them as their trading content lead. As you might notice, I haven't been very active on this channel lately, and that's mainly because I'm focused on the work with The Fivers, but also because I'm very focused on my own trading. And there's been a lot of changes with the RLZ trading community, for example. It's now completely free. So you can find the link in the description below that will take you to a website where you will be able to join the trading community completely free, and you will also gain access to the new and improved RLZ trading template, the backtesting template, completely free. I'm also working on a couple of courses for you guys that will also be available completely free within the Discord, and you'll also gain access to trading signals directly from the RLZ trading indicator, all free. And I would also like to announce that with the crypto market absolutely exploding right now, I'm getting more active into altcoin trading, and I got a few altcoins that I'm watching that haven't really moved yet, and I'm very interested to see if they can move along the same lines as Bitcoin, which looks like, I'm watching the chart right now, and it looks like it's going to break out into all-time highs. Absolutely insane. Now for that, I've teamed up with Prime XBT. You guys probably know all about them already. I've worked with them in the past. They're a great company, great exchange, and now they're even better because they have upgraded their crypto futures platform, and it looks really, really good. You can find the link in the description below if you want to sign up with them, and I do highly recommend that you do sign up with them because my indicator, the RLZ Slingshot indicator, will be available. Well, you will be available to actually, I can't promise too much, but there's going to be something with the indicator and Prime XBT, so you want to make sure that you have an account with Prime XBT. Now that's basically everything I wanted to update you guys on, and I wanted to give you, this update on my journey as a trader and my journey here in my life as a trader. Now you'll be seeing more videos pop up on this channel soon, and I hope to see you all within the RLZ trading community. Take care, everyone, and I hope to see you all in the next one.